Masasarap na pagkain, magagandang tanawin. This town has so much to offer all in one dito sa Binalonan. I'll show you everything so you'll miss out nothing because we are going to Binalonan ang galing.
Binalonan ang galing!
I'm Stacey, your travel buddy, kaya tara let's explore Binalonan. Dito lang yan sa Biyaheng Pangasinan.
Simulan na ang pasyalan. Pumasyal sa Pangasinan, balikan ang lahat ng papasaya. Kalula, klasin ang taglay na ganda. Siguradong mag-enjoy ka. Kalula, pumasyal sa Pangasinan, balikan ang lahat ng papasaya. Kalula, klasin ang taglay na ganda. Siguradong mag-enjoy ka. Kalilat Pangasinan.
Binalonan is actually a first-class municipality from the eastern portion of Pangasinan. We have a lot of natural resources to share to each and everyone, to the tourists, to the visitors of our town. We also have man-made tourist spots. We have the dancing fountain. We also have our century-old trees in our plaza. We're the only town kasi, I think, in Pangasinan that have basi. It is a wine made from sugarcane. Ang Lubas Farm is an eco-friendly farm wherein pride natin doon yung mga farming experiences, yung experience natin sa mga tourists natin na pumupunta doon. We envision Binalonan as one of the premier tourism destinations here in Pangasinan. Tara na po dito sa Binalonan and experience Binalonan with us. Binalonan ang galing!